Hey everyone, welcome back to Kettle Haven Ranch. I'm Steve. Today we're going to prep for winter. Our last chance to get it done before it hits again and we get more snow. Here we go. All right, the plan is to open up the hives, pull the Apiguard discs out, put a layer of paper down, put sugar on top of it, and do this all as fast as humanly possible. I don't think I'll need my suit. They're all in a cluster down in the lower box of the hive right now. We're opening the top. It is about 42 degrees, 41 degrees, and dropping quickly. The sun is just setting and the wind is really blowing. So as you can see from feeding the animals, I'm covered in hay from that. Okay, I've prepped in advance with a scoop of white sugar and some construction paper to lay down real quick. It's actually a packing paper. Nowadays we don't get a newspaper, so we do get Amazon. We use that, it'll work just fine. Okay, everyone is clustered up. Apiguard discs off. There we go. Paper down. And sugar. That's all we need to do. Cover it back up. And they're good for the winter, hopefully. Now what we're going to do is repeat 7 times. Okay, once again, I'm going to get into this hive, the same thing. Lid off if it'll come off. There's our lid. There's our discs. We do have some bees active, unfortunately. But they duck away with the wind. Boom. So I believe in this method. It's worked for me in the past. The sugar absorbs moisture out of the hive, and that's always a problem in the wintertime. And it provides carbohydrates for the bees when they need it. So they can get up, they can eat through that. Most of the sugar will be gone in the springtime, and hopefully the bees will still be here. The hives looked really good the other day. We had a spike up to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. I actually put a feed pail out with a 2-to-1 syrup ratio, and they ate 2 gallons of that in about 2 to 3 hours. Okay, I'll move through this, get this done, and if you like our videos here at Kettle Haven Ranch, please like, subscribe, tell a friend, share it. Anything you want to do there, we sure appreciate it. We have a whole bunch coming up. I am just days away from retirement from my full-time job, and videos and working the ranch with all the exciting changes we have coming up will be the priority. Hopefully everyone's staying safe and healthy. Take care, and we'll see you in future videos.